So Evertis sits under a unique vertically integrated group where we have resin manufacturing and the Selenis film production under Evertis and recycling operations under Renasis. That allows us to provide three differentiating factors to our customers. The first one is that we can innovate and develop new products with better properties, whether we change, for example, characteristics in the resin that can improve the properties of the film, for example, sealing conditions or even mechanical properties. The second one is that we can innovate in sustainable closed-the-loop propositions, whether we can recycle mechanically, PCR, that we incorporate into new packaging, or even advanced chemical recycling that we can also incorporate through our resins. And then the third one is that we have more sustainable and efficient operations that translate into cost efficiency for our customers, as well as a lower carbon footprint for our products. And finally, we have a fourth business line that we incorporate into our vertical group, which is called Renewish, which is a company that is investing into renewable energy supply and decarbonization projects in order to reduce further the carbon footprint of our operations.
My name is Rui Silva. I work as Chief Product Innovation Officer at Evertis Ibérica. What we do in terms of design and development of new products, it's always focused in terms of circularity and recyclability of the materials. The retray is one of the steps that we did in terms of certification that assure and promote the tray-to-tray recycling materials. So this certification is a certification along all the stakeholders from the food business, so the film producers like Evertis, the thermoforming companies, and also the recycling company that can take back the material, make the separation, and we can incorporate again. So we close the loop and the circularity of the trays. That is the main goal. During the last years, and because of the single-use plastic directives, we focus more and each time more in new products that we can move for monomaterials that could be easily recycled. We have some products like the EcoBar, that is a material that the structure is a PET EVO PET, that more than 90% is PET, so more easily to recycle. We have also other materials that we move from multi-materials like PET PE to PET, only with modified PET for the sealing properties, like the EcoSeal. And also we have a product that we take out the carbon black that could be possible to recycle and to detect that trace in the recycling scheme, like the EBAR E-Safe Black IR.
Eu sou o diretor, sou João Pinto, sou o diretor de produção da Evertis Ibérica e trabalho na empresa desde 2008. Nós temos cada vez mais pressão para a introdução de reciclado nos nossos produtos e para isso temos investido e temos que investir cada vez mais em novas tecnologias que permitam a reutilização dos reciclados, investindo em separação, recolha, limpeza, descontaminação, usando também depois para análises posteriores os nossos laboratórios internos. Em última análise, em caso de dúvidas, usamos laboratórios externos para fazer análise aos produtos que descontaminamos e que pretendemos usar nos nossos produtos finais.
So as you know, at Evertis we produce multilayer films to increase the shelf life of the products that we package. Obviously we are conscious about the recyclability of multilayer materials. That's why 3 years ago we started investing into research and development. We put together a team and we started engaging with waste management entities, with recyclers, technology suppliers to try to find out a solution that could recycle this type of multilayer materials. The solution was a technology that is live now, that we have a plant running today under the name of Perpetuity. And this solution can effectively and efficiently delaminate multilayer materials where we bring back the PET into our process in order to produce new trays. This is one good example about how we could integrate our film expertise with our recycling expertise in order to make sure that we could close the loop.
So my name is Serafin Garcia. I joined Evertis 2 years ago. I'm working in Renasis in the recycling unit of the company. Yes, in Renasis we are recycling post-consumer bottle for post-to-gas system. We use this material in the eco product of both Selenis and Evertis. In this way we go from the waste to the packaging in a sustainable way. In the last year we have developed a new technology called Perpetuity. With this new technology we are going to incorporate post-consumer trace waste to eco product in Selenis and Evertis.
I'm Susana Garcia and I'm the Head of Global Sustainability here at Evertis. Here at Evertis we have already a set of environmental goals on water intensity, energy efficiency, and also on recycled content and recyclability. We committed to achieve 50% of recycled content by 2025 and also 100% of recyclability. Although 2023 was very challenging, we achieved already 38% of recycled content. This was in a market where there's scarcity of recycled materials and also they have a high price nowadays. But due to our commitment, we will continue to make efforts to achieve our goal. According to our LCA studies, for example, that increase in recycled content of our products will improve the environmental impact of them. We are working towards tray-to-tray recycling. We are collaborating with our suppliers to improve the eco profiles of our products. We are optimizing our logistics because it does not only reduce costs but also reduce our CO2 emissions. And we also working on renewable energy generation. As examples, we have the solar parks here at Evertis.
The healthcare industry faces the same challenges in terms of sustainability like other packaging industries. That's why we decided to take advantage of our vertical integration proposition and our deep knowledge for over more than 65 years in producing PET-based solutions for packaging needs to develop our Evercare brand. Evercare is a full portfolio of products to serve both the medical and the pharmaceutical customers that are looking to improve their sustainability with no compromise in the productivity or the regulatory standards. That's why the products that we have been developed have been tested against biocompatibility, US and European pharmacopoeia, as well as sterilization. And obviously we produce and we serve these products based on our GMP standards and change notification as well. Evercare brings a fresh approach when it comes to sustainable packaging thinking now and into the future. First of all, our integration with Selenis is not only about supply chain security, which obviously is an important topic when it comes to producing medical-grade resin and film under the same roof. But it's also about innovating into new materials from the resin to the final product. One example is bio-based materials, where we have been working on over the last years in replacing fossil fuel raw materials by bio-based alternatives. This is a great example of how customers can improve their sustainability and reduce their carbon footprint with no compromise in their performance or regulatory. Another example that we'll be working on is on our advanced recycling solutions, where we take advantage of our recycling unit in order to bring to life post-consumer material that will like to be depolymerized and polymerized back into new resin, incorporating certified up to 50% PCR. We're very excited about the offering that Evercare brings to the medical and pharmaceutical customers that want to move to more eco-friendly while keeping the safety of the products to the customers.